Hello guys! How are you guys? Panoorin yung katul. Panoorin nyo yung katul guys.
At kapag natagpuan nyo siya, pasabihan ninyo ako upang ako manay makadala.
Thank you so much for coming guys. You want to see me? Okay. Oh my gosh! Oh, dali na. I will. Hello guys! How are you? Good evening, good evening. Welcome to my live. Hello, how are you? Just don't forget to this and love just love to me, and don't forget to like guys. And if you want to share it my live, you can share it. This is my son. Hi. Hello, how are you?
Nasaan tayo ngayon, Bes?
Thank you for coming. Don't forget to like. Thank you to viewers. Thank you. I appreciate it. Nag-English naman tayo kahit Carabao English. I just want to speak English. Because I'm practicing English. Yeah. Kahit wala tayong kausap, okay lang. Ayan, mag-shoutout tayo. Mag-highlight tayo. Ayan. Highlight tayo kasi palagi na lang wala akong upload na maganda. Just help me to viral, okay? Maybe someday, hindi ako susuko. As in, hindi talaga ako susuko. Gusto kong makamit ang mag-viral, diba? So, Lolo YouTube. So, YouTube, can you please help me to find more viewers, to find more subscriber, guys. Help me, guys. Ayan, tulungan po tayo parang sa followers ba sa Facebook. Yung tutulungan sa followers sa Facebook, ganun. Ayan. Hello. Good evening. Magsawa kayo sa mukha kong pangit-pangit. Ayan.
Mga magulang no lalaki sanggol na tinutukoy.
Nakita nga, anak,
Si Maria, si Jose, at ang sanggol na si Jesus. Sila yung totoo. Mga totoong tauhan sa pila na gusto ipalagay sa akin ni Mama
Gab,
sa bahay
Gab.
namin.
Gab.
Wow, sila pala yan. Chris, alam kaya nila na maaalala pa sila ng mga tao?
Parang masakit sa mata ang ilaw, so just want to... Oh my God! Shout out 13 viewers! Hello! Oh my God! Shout out 13 viewers. Thank you so much for coming. Hello, how are you? 13 viewers. But I need to like and support, guys. Please support and like my live. Thank you so much.
Ang balitang natanggap ko ay inihatid sa akin ng isang anghel. Ng anghel? Habang naroon ako sa bahay ng mga magulang ko, biglang nang liwanag. Yun ang pinakamaningning na nasaksihan ko. Mas maliwanag pa sa araw.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm back.
Naging kalugod-lugod ka sa Diyos. Makinig ka. Ikaw ay magkikaya ng mga anak ng isang sanggol na lalaki.
11 viewers. Shout out 11 viewers. Ayan.
Kataas-taas ang Diyos. Ibibigay sa kanya, Panginoon,
Shout out 11 viewers.
upang maghari sa angkan ni Jacob magpakailanman. Ang kanyang paghahari ay
Please help me, Lulu YouTube, to find more viewers and to find more subscribers. Just help me.
sa iyo ang Espiritu Santo.
Help me. Shout out. Thank you so much because your company is helping to others. Your company is helping to like me, the small YouTuber. Because of you, we get the more blessing to everybody who like to share their health blessing. Yan. My gosh.
Baka kami kinakasal.
Bari-bari na yung aking mga English. Bahala kayo dyan.
Doon ako nakasiguro na nais ng Diyos na kami
14 shout out, 14 viewers shout out. Thank you so much. Thank you so much 14. Anyone who like to asking me Want to live commentary. Limit participants specifically for you approve and approve user. Shout out my sister home, Bits Kizil. Shout out Bits Kizil. Thank you so much, 15 viewers, and I